So Monica, you know, you said that you really wanted a lounge to be able to lay down and enjoy the water, put your head up. So this is 7.2. Okay. Here's your lounge right here. Now remember, this has two 6-horsepower pumps. And as we talked and we looked out through here, this is a 2024, so we're going to have a huge incentive and the discounts on this one. Okay. 6-horsepower pumps. Now, if you look down in here, you can actually see the foot propulsion jets. You have been a ballerina.
Yes.
So those feet have taken some work over the years, right?
Absolutely.
So when we get over there and I turn the pumps on, this is why I think this one's going to be really, really good for you, because the therapy from the feet up is going to be irreplaceable for you. You're going to see a lot of relief on that. This is your headrest right here. We've got LED lights throughout the entire tub. Those just snap in and out. Okay. This is your waterfall. This is going to be a true air injection, so we're going to see that water flow. You can also control the water. You see those two big round valves there by your left and right hand?
I do.
Those are your diverters. So I'm going to walk over there in a minute, but I'm going to show you. I like for people to understand what they're about to see.
Yes.
When we get to the feet and we get to the therapy, I'm interested in your reaction, because we're going to crest the water from below there to approximately this high above the water. Okay. So MasterSpas leans into the hydrotherapy aspect of the tub. That neck and shoulder therapy, just like the other tubs we've been looking at, has biomagnetic therapy, clinically proven to reduce the inflammation in your body. Okay. It's not a sales pitch. Yeah. Right? It's not. There are 10 magnets strategically placed in that seat, neck and shoulder, and they are recognized pressure points for massage therapy.
Oh, I love that.
That have been established over the years. And I know you do massage therapy. Yes. You do the, you actually did the sauna therapy, right?
Yes, yes.
So now you got hydrotherapy maybe. Yeah. So we really didn't establish, what do you need the hot tub for other than the therapeutic aspect?
Well, I sold my old house. Okay. Moved into a new one, and I just miss my hot tub so much.
Yeah, this is perfect. Does this look like it's going to be about the right space for you? Because this is 84 by 84, so it's a 7-foot square.
Oh yeah, no, this is perfect.
And you'll be able to entertain 4 people in here, friends and family. Yeah. I always joke, because things that we realized during COVID is who we want to be around.
I agree.
So we're going to turn these on in a minute. Now we have 2 pumps here, one 2-speed pump, and then there's a second pump. These are 6-horsepower pumps. So we're going to move more therapy than just about anybody does in the industry, because we believe in living your life better and achieving that. So I want to show you how these work. This is your top side bar. Okay. Yep. This is also floating. Okay. Okay. Nice. So this can actually, you can kind of push it back to me if you want. Yeah. So you can kind of float. You can put some snacks on it and things like that. Okay. And then we have 2 filters down in here. The EcoCharge system, which is our copper zinc core that comes on every hot tub that we have. And as I walk over here, I can actually reach over here and turn a couple of these pumps on. But I'm going to start with the first pump here. So, and jet 1. And you can see right now that I've just turned that on, but now we're in the circulation mode. So now I'm going to hit the pump a second time. And this is going to give me the therapy. So this is going to be your neck right here. So it's designed to be able to get your head and neck here, but also so you're not smothering the jet and losing the function. Yeah. Now, it looks pretty powerful, right? Yeah. Let me turn it on for you.
Oh, nice.
So now I've isolated the lounge for you. That's the beautiful thing about MasterSpas. We can move the water around and customize it for yourself, whoever else has over in your home or whatever you want to do. People can do that. Now I'm going to turn the second pump on, and which I just did, and then I'll turn the waterfall on. Oh. So I just turned the waterfall on as well as being backlit. Yeah. Now that waterfall, most people miss this, Monica, but look at this right here.
Oh my God.
It's a cute little aesthetic waterfall.
Very cute.
Yeah. The other thing that's really wonderful about this is I'm going to open this up for you because we're going to focus on the therapy. We're going to really, really focus on what this tub's going to do for you and the lifestyle and the relaxation. Yeah. But also, look, I can control the waterfall right here. So if you want to just sit there and let it trickle down and turn the pumps off, I'll show you how to do that as well. Or just have it cascade, get that environment going. Now I've got the second pump on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk over here and I'm going to show you. You just stay right where you are because I want you to see this. I'm going to open this up for you. Go ahead and feel that rotational therapy right there.
Oh my God. Oh, that feels so good.
So we're not full blast, but now I'm going to turn it up for you. Now feel it.
Oh my gosh.
So that's 6 horsepower pumps, right?
Yeah.
Now, if you want to feather it down, you don't like the intensity, you might, I like it for a long period of time, but if you want all that volume, but you want to just feather it back and not have all the intensity, but keep the volume of the water, you can just turn this off like this.
I love that.
And slow the therapy down like that. So you can kind of just feel that I've slowed it down.
Yep.
And you can imagine that being your hand, right?
Sure. Yeah.
Now, the other way that you can do this is turn this open like this, or just reach up here and dial it over. So I'm moving the water around. Now I brought it over to there.
Ah, so this, okay, gotcha. I was gonna ask you what the diverter does. Okay.
I'm gonna show you that in a second.
Okay.
Remember the big shower heads?
Yes.
Down below the water?
Yes.
Okay, if I'm here, that's 200 gallons a minute on your feet.
Oh.
So right now I can get my neck massaged.
Yeah.
I can get my feet massaged. Both of them. You can also on and off below the water line, or you can just simply go like this and feather it down like this. Just bring it down. Slower pace. Yeah. Or, let me reach behind you again here a second. Or if I want to come over here, and I'm going to turn the second pump off.
Yeah.
And now you're just getting your feet massaged.
My poor feet are gonna love this.
Isn't that great?
Yeah, it's so great.
And also, as you just realized, you can control the water flow in everywhere that you want to use it in the tub, in the environment that you want to be.
I love it. Now, I have a question. I don't smell any chlorine. Do you not have chlorine in this right now?
So, MasterSpas has the EcoCharge system, which is the copper zinc core. That is a mineral cartridge that's going to pretty much be time released over about 6-7 months. Okay. The reason why you do not smell the chlorine, even though there are chlorine granules in here, is because we're taking the impurities, the pathogens, and the bacteria out of the water, combined with the ozonator, which is going to put fresh, clean water in on the cycle times. So we're going to take that odor away. With MasterSpas, you will be in clean water all the time.
So great.
Maintenance is very, very simple on these. You're going to take the 2 filters out once a month, clean them, rinse them, let them dry, put them back in. As long as you stay with these about once a month, you're going to be in really, really good shape. If you notice, the lights are also fixed on every color that you want. I can reach over here and actually turn them off, or just pick a color if I want.
Yeah, I love the party time.
Now, the promotion that we have going on today, which if this one works for you, it's going to apply to any tub for the next 30 days. Any 2024 model, we're going to give deep discounts.
Okay.
This is Factory Direct. Okay. In addition to that, we're going to give you a premium cover lifter, which you're standing in front of right there.
Okay.
I'm going to you can kind of be my Vanna White here.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to have you come here and press this button in a second. And then I want you to notice this. So you see these here on each side?
Yep.
This is a premium cover lifter valued at about $300.
Yeah.
The function of that is that it's an actual towel rack as well.
Very smart.
Yeah. And you're going to get this absolutely free with the purchase today. Now, I'm going to have you come here, push that button and hold it down, and just use 2 fingers and get it to about maybe 10:30, 11 o'clock on the clock, and just let it go and see what happens.
Okay.
Just keep that down. And I'll let you know when you just push it forward like an easy drawer. You're not going to break it. Let go of it. Just right now. Now just touch it with a couple fingers. Give it a nudge. A little more, and then just let it go.
Ah, okay.
And so these are locking covers. You're going to flip it like that.
I love it.
There's 300-pound snow load on there. Now we do have freezing weather here in Houston.
Oh, we do.
Right?
Yeah.
So.
And we just had snow.
We did. It was pretty crazy.
Yeah.
And people are like, what am I going to do with my tub? We're insulated so well. We use an isonine-like foam, which is an open cell foam that doesn't attract moisture. Okay. We'll never lose its R rating on the tub. It's an expensive foam to use, but we insulate these well. So you're about $17 to $18 a month on this tub. Now it is a hardwire 220, which we talked about. Yeah. You had a tub before. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So you're going to have that 50 amp breaker the same. All you need to do is have a place to put it. Do you have an open space on the new house?
Yes.
Okay. Yep. So we're going to include delivery.
Oh.
Setup.
Okay.
Cover lifter, cover, stairs, startup chemical kit. Everything's included with the purchase.
Delivery's included too.
Everything's included,
Wow.
including the delivery. And it's our guys that do it through Texas Spa Services. They're exclusive to us. We're going to bring it in vertically. How's the gate access to the house?
It's good.
So we would just ask that if it's a standard gate, that we'll confirm the measurements on it. But the worst thing that you'd have to do is put maybe part of it off and then put it back up.
Okay.
The rest of it is access, and we're going to drop it right where you want. Okay. You will have to do the electrical hookup, and we'll help you with contractors as well. Okay. If you need electrical, we're not going to put any profit margin on that. Okay. And that's it. So we have the gray and white left with the, and I'm going to take this cover and open it up for you. Yeah. In fact, I'm going to let you do it.
Okay.
Go ahead and lift the handle over there.
Okay.
Now you're going to feel a lot of resistance. So that's, you don't want to lose any radiant heat.
No,
so
no.
Monica, come over here with your left arm.
Yep.
All right. And just walk it over. Pretty light, huh?
Very light.
All right. Also, I'm going to have you lift that and see how easy it is to put up.
Oh, very light. Way lighter than I actually anticipated, to be honest.
Yeah, we also put these different features on our covers. Yeah. MasterSpas makes all their covers in Fort Wayne, Indiana. This tub is made there. The cover lifter is made there.
Okay.
The cover lifter is not, I should say, but all this is there. So these are breathers, so we don't get the condensation and the water to build up in the cover, and that contributes to a long-lasting cover. So what do you think? With discounts and everything, you're going to be right at about $11,500.
Okay.
Does that work for you?
Yeah, that was my sort of concern, and I love that price. I love that price point, so that's perfect. And this, I got to tell you, I miss my hot tub, so this is perfect.
We're good to go then, right?
Yes.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm so excited.
Congrats.
Thank you.